Canadians dump a lot of cars in the graveyard, but they turn out over 500,000 new ones every year to keep themselves moving.
You were mentioning about a half hour or so ago that there was an accident out at St. James and St. Remy. The combatants have departed the scene, but boy, the aftermath is still there.
You mean the traffic's still tied up?
It is just fierce. East and westbound traffic backed up for blocks in both directions. In fact, coming down the hill eastbound, the lineup starts before you get to Girard, and then trying to get up around that little detour up to Upper Lachine Road is just murder. St. Remy is solid, bumper to bumper. So if you're heading for the St. Remy Tunnel, you'll have to go on down south and use, I can never think of the name of that street. Well, it's nice to have some good news to pass on this afternoon. Both the South Shore bridges, Victoria and Jacques-Cartier, southbound, working very well. And the eastern half of the elevated, no trouble at all.
In Toronto, they've got a lot of get up and go. They built a great city hall, and they all got downtown for the grand opening.
Your Excellency, the Governor-General of Canada, Right Honorable Prime Minister of Canada, Your Excellency, the Ambassador of Finland, Honorable Prime Minister of Ontario, my Lord Chief Justices, and all other representatives of church and state, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, it is with feelings of great joy and deep gratitude
I bring the congratulations
that I welcome this assembly
of the federal government to especially those who made the decisions to build, to those who designed and planned the building, and to all those who worked on it so that it could be fulfillment today.
And happiness. In many ways, the soul and spirit of a city are reflected in its architecture. If its buildings are cramped and outmoded,
The Little Penguin Girl, Hoppy the Little Frog Boy, The Mystery Girl, The Cardiff Giant from Cardiff, New York, Madame Olga Hess from Munich, Germany, Little Amber Plummer, in just a very few moments.
All sorts of visitors come to Toronto, and the people of Toronto like to make them feel right at home. Canadians are very proud of their sophisticated industries and make things like the fastest autogyro in the world. They're very good at making vehicles of various sorts because they still have to spend much of their time getting from place to place.